I am not exaggerating when I tell you that this is the best shrimp salad we've ever made.
Joanne really loves this recipe.
We've poached the shrimp in water, garlic cloves, bay leaf, lemon, salt, and seasonings. We love Cajun seasoning and have linked to it in our recipe for you. Bring to a rolling boil, turn off the heat, and then add your shrimp. These are large shrimp, so they need about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, transfer to a plate and refrigerate. Finally, chop half a bell pepper, then do the same for a few green onions and 1 celery stalk. We also need fresh dill. It's classic in shrimp salad, so we add a generous 1/4 cup. Last but not least, we need some lemon.
But not that lemon seed.
No, whoops. You do need a bit of salt, pepper, and a 1/2 cup of mayo. Now add the cooled shrimp and gently toss everything together. Oh, I love it.
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.